dog Katie's been skateboarding about 5 years.
Oh, nice. She didn't bail.
She's so good around kids.
It's been mostly on sidewalks and at street meetings.
And she's so calm.
She loves skating around outdoor restaurant tables.
She's so cute.
Was she ready for the skateboard parks of Long Beach? Would the large number of fast-moving skateboarders be too much for her? We went to Bixby Park because there are no quarter or half pipes or vert ramps. The skaters made her feel welcome. It was a bit much for her, but she did real well. She was glad to skate out of the park and have some quiet time with a new friend.
Very good.
Mira.